Tumai. Tumai, kami dalam tusuk. Tumai. Yang terutama. Wah.
Oi.
Waktu orang sakai na nonton baliu. Ina bola ni velu tak ni nonton mati tu basa kena prestige ni nonton puno lama Norwich. Ina nomini dan le waktu orang wasa nonton turanga. Mai nasong lah.
Oi.
Dosa kena kemenangan sampai tumbar nak kemudian rau. Kena single lebih nak dikuah. Anon rai kemenangan nanomini mati timi. Mati timi ni bonua, mati timi ni witi. Keresa kamu ni tinggal mah. Nanti tahu saya kena nomini mati timi. Dan biar bonua satu juga ni single muni ter mata minggu. Mai mal usaha kena wasit kemenangan. Nanti tahu waktu orang. Pada merasa nak kena mentela waktu orang. Kawabura.
Oh, tinggal memenangan kemenangan. Kemenangan apa tu ni bonua. Ai tetap. Dole rabu mendengar yang bola tangan.
Mana?
Dole kalongat. Dua teman-teman kena tahu wah, teman-teman lo teman-teman.
Mana?
Well, you're the chosen ones. You've been chosen to represent your country in the Rugby World Cup. It has not been an easy process. You've come through some hard times. You know that very well. But you still have hard times to go through. I farewelled you here before you went north to the States and Canada, not too long ago. And you acquitted yourself well there. But that is only a stepping stone. There's still one more leg for you to fulfill. That's the match in early September against Canada. You know what happened last year against Canada. So you know exactly what you have to do there. That is the stepping stone to the World Cup for this team. It's the last match for Canada. It's the last match for Fiji before the World Cup. Our big match is on the 18th, Friday. We all look forward to that. I know you look forward to that. We have all followed the fortunes of this team, your training routine. You've done the hard yards. And if I say that, I say that very sincerely. We've seen it all. We've witnessed. And this is about the best prepared Fiji team we've ever sent abroad to a World Cup. The prayers of all the Fijians go with you. You don't have to ask for that. It's given willingly. But your focus is on the World Cup. Before the other World Cups, if you remember correctly, some of you older ones, not your younger ones, there were people who forecast Fiji will never make the pool play. Might get into the quarterfinals. So that. This year, it's different. You have some of the best sports writers and the top international players are saying that Fiji is going to do well. It's going to surprise a lot of people. Don't let that get into your head. You have to acquit yourself on the field. And that's You've been training for that all this time. And that's where you need to produce the goods. And I don't have any doubt that you will. When the World Cup was brought to Fiji by the World Cup group, and the reception was held at the British High Commissioner's residence, it was on the eve for Fiji to play the Cook Islands in Lautoka. And I was asked whether I was going to that match. I had another engagement in Suva. I told them that I won't be going. And they said, that's the last match. If Fiji beats the Cook Islands, Fiji will qualify. I said, we'll beat the Cook Islands. I said, are you sure about that? Yes, we'll beat the Cook Islands. And they said, if you beat the Cook Islands, you will be in the same pool as England. And you have the opening match against England. I said, that's good. That's a home game for us. He said, what? That's a home game for us. You've got the problem, not us. We look forward to that game with pleasure. And that's what you have to do. You go to England, we have a good rapport with England. Go there and make use of it. And I give you all the blessings of all the Fijians, here and abroad. All your grandparents, your parents, all your sisters and brothers, everybody in Fiji, we all wish you well, and we know that you'll acquit yourself and surprise a lot of people. I am quietly confident that this team is going to do well in the World Cup. And I am not the only one. I want to tell you that. Not the only one. So, good luck. God bless. But whatever you do, enjoy yourself while you're there. Enjoy the camaraderie of the other rugby players who are there. And I look forward to the matches when they do take place. Good luck.
Taking a picture.